Hi, Michelle. Thank you so much for taking out time to watch my video. My name is Tisha. I spoke to your associate Nicole and advised that I was going to be sending over a custom video for your company's website. My main goal is to increase your online presence, more traffic to your website, and to get more business clients and revenue for yourself. I found your company while doing research of plumbers in your area. So today we'll be talking about three different areas, which would be content, citations, and backlinks. So the first would be content. So content is anything that could be found on your website. So any words being used, pictures, how the pictures are saved, what's behind the pictures, and any videos. In order to rank higher on Google, they would like to see a minimum of 1,500 to 2,000 words being used on your website. So, the more content that you have, the more keywords you're able to use. Now, keywords are the words that are being used when a customer goes to the search engine on Google and they're looking for a certain service or a certain type of company. So again, that's going to be very important, and we'll take a look to see how many keywords you're currently utilizing. The next would be citations. Now, citations are anywhere your business name, phone number, and address can be found. So that could be on Home Advisor, Angie's List, LinkedIn, Facebook, and local directories. So the more citations you have, the better it is for someone to find your website. Now, when I Googled plumbers in Carmichael, California, this is what I found. So these are going to be the businesses that are paying for each click. After that, you will see the map pack. Now, it's very important to be in this area. Oftentimes, people will go to the website or call the first company that they see. So that's very good that you're actually in this map pack. The next will be the organic search. So first, you see that Yelp is listed here. So those companies are paying money to be listed on in their directory. But the first company you actually see is going to be roto, and then the second will be Bonnie Plumbing. So we'll take a look at how they're doing. But first, let's look at your website. So I'm showing that you have 38 backlinks. Now, backlinks are links that are on a website that leads back to your website and generates more traffic. Now, all backlinks are not the same. So a backlink coming from a restaurant versus a hardware store will bring in a different amount of traffic. So we would look to see what your competitors are using for their backlinks and then build those same backlinks for you. That can generate more people coming to the website. You're utilizing 28 keywords. I wasn't able to see, doesn't provide too much information as far as how many people are coming to your website and what type of revenue. So this could be an area to concentrate on in implementing these tips. And for your keywords, so this is what people are typing in to find your company. Okay. And again, what I can do is we would take a look at the keywords being utilized by one of your competitors. Um, and then we would use the same type of keywords to help you as well on your website. Now, Bonnie Plumbing, so they're using over 6,000, they have over 6,000 backlinks, using over 7,000 keywords, bringing in over 4,000 people to their website monthly, and generating over 56,000 in revenue. Now, their keywords that they're utilizing. Okay, so some of them are going to be, of course, their business name, and then these are some of the other keywords and how they're found. Okay, so the next is going to be roto. So they have over 868,000 backlinks. They're using over 96,000 keywords. They're bringing in over 256,000 people to their website, and they're generating over 4 million. Now, this is a franchise business, so there are several locations. Nonetheless, this still would be considered a competitor. So it would be important to look at, again, their backlinks, build those same backlinks for yourself, and then also to look at their keywords. And then these are some of the keywords that they are utilizing. Okay, So I hope you have enjoyed these tips that I have provided. You're welcome to utilize these tips for yourself. If you would like to have a more in-depth conversation, please give me a call at 916-378-9773. I would love to receive some feedback in regards to my video. Um, Again, thank you so much for taking out time and watching. I hope you have a good day.